Concepts covered. Today we are going to cover the concept of multiples of a number. Good morning dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to start chapter number 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. This lesson is based on factors and multiples. Let's start. The mouse and the cat. Children, can you see this picture? What can you see here? We can see 29 steps. Then a hungry cat standing on 3rd step and a mouse named Kunjan standing on 14th step. The hungry cat is behind the mouse trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. The mouse, being small, can jump only 2 steps at a time, whereas the cat, being bigger, can jump 3 steps at a time. So, the speed of the cat is faster than the speed of the mouse. There is a small hole near step number 28. So, if the mouse reaches step number 28, it can hide in that hole. The question is, will the mouse reach safely in that hole, or will the cat eat him in between? Remember that the mouse is on step number 14 and it can jump only 2 steps at a time. So, the steps on which the mouse jumps is from step number 14 to step number 16, then step number 18, then 20, 22, 24, 26 and finally step number 28. The cat is on step number 3 and it can jump 3 steps at a time. So the steps on which the cat jumps is from step number 3 to step number 6, then step number 9, then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and lastly on step number 27. Now the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jumps is step number 18 and step number 24. Question is, can the mouse get away? Yes, the mouse can get away, since by the time the cat reaches step number 18 in 5 jumps, the mouse would reach step number 24, and when the cat reaches step number 24 in next 2 more jumps, the mouse would reach step number 28 and then hide in the hole present near step number 28. Next question is, now suppose if the cat starts from the 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time, and the Kunjan mouse starts from the 8th step and jumps 4 steps at a time, then can the mouse get away? Let us check. The cat is on step number 5 and jumps 5 steps at a time. So, the cat jumps on step number 10, then 15, 20 and 25. Now the mouse is on step number 8 and jumps 4 steps at a time. So the mouse jumps on step number 12, 16, 20, 24 and finally 28. Now on step number 20, both of them jump. This step is common between both of them. After 3 jumps, the cat will be on step number 20. Similarly, after 3 jumps, the mouse also will be on step number 20. Both together will be present on step number 20. In this case, the mouse cannot get away and it will be eaten by the cat. Who is Monto waiting for? Monto is a cat. Monto cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? I also don't know. Let's find out using this trick. Children, can you see this picture containing numbers from 1 to 60? And in between some English alphabets are written above some numbers. Now your duty is to mark a red dot on all the numbers that are divisible by 2. So let us mark. First red dot will be on 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on till 60. That is on all the numbers coming in 2's table. Now next, mark a yellow dot on all the numbers divisible by 3. So let's mark. First yellow dot will be on 3, then 6, 9, 12 and so on till 60. That is the numbers coming in 3's table. Now next mark a blue dot on all the numbers divisible by 4. So let's mark. First blue dot will be on 4, then 8, 12, 16 and so on till 60. That is the blue dot will be marked on all the numbers coming in 4's table. Now children, can you see some boxes which have dots of all 3 colors? Yes, those boxes are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Now, what are the letters on the top of these boxes? Let's check. Box 12 has the letter M. Box 24 has the letter O. Box 36 has the letter U. Box 48 has the letter S. And box 60 has the letter E. So, from this hint, it is clear that Monto cat is waiting for catching a mouse. Now, write these letters below in alphabetical order. We get E, M, O, S and U. Mew game. Now children, let us all play a game. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle as shown in the picture. One player calls out 1 the next player calls out 2, and so on. A player who has to call 3 or a number which is divisible by 3 has to say mew instead of the number. For example, third player will not say 3 but say mew. Fourth player will call 4. Fifth player will call 5. But sixth player will not say 6 but instead say mew. So, whichever number comes in 3's table, that player will say mew instead of the number. So, which numbers did you replace with mew? Answer is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and so on. That is table of 3. This all numbers which we got are multiples of 3. Now instead of multiples of 3, play this game by changing to multiples of 4. So which numbers will be replaced by mew? Answer is table of 4. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44 and so on. All these numbers which we get are multiples of 4. Now, like this, write any 10 multiples of 5. Answer is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Dice game. Children, have you seen dice? See, 2 dice are shown in the picture. In this game, we will need 2 dice. We have to throw both the dice together. Children, do you know a dice has 6 faces because it is a cube? All 6 faces represents numbers. Now tell me, what are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? Answer is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers are present on the dice. Now, if we throw 2 dice, we get 2 numbers. If on one dice the number is 3 and on the other dice the number is 2. Now make a 2-digit number using 3 and 2. We get 2 such numbers using 3 and 2. That is 32 and 23. Am I right? Now check if 23 is a multiple of 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is, does 23 comes in 4's table, 5's table, 6's table, 7's table? No, it is not a multiple of any of the number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So leave it. Now consider the number 32. Does 32 come in 4's table, 5's table, 6's table or 7's table? Yes, 32 comes in 4's table. That is, 32 is a multiple of 4. So we write 32 in red circle given below. Then it is your friend's turn. Suppose your friend throws 2 dice and gets 3 on one dice and 6 on another dice. So 2 numbers are formed, 36 and 63. Now 36 comes in 4's table as well as 6's table. That is 36 is a multiple of 4 and 6 both. So write 36 in both the circles, blue as well as red circle. Next 63 number. It comes in 7's table. So write 63 in purple circle. So in first round only one number you wrote, that is 32 in red circle. Whereas in first round your friend wrote 3 numbers, 36 in blue and red circle and the number 63 in purple circle. In this way, keep on taking turn one by one. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. So here I am writing the multiples of 6, 4, 5 and 7, which can be formed using both the dice. I have to write since we cannot play this game on video. This game can requires to be played face to face. So, children, today we learned 2 puzzles and 2 interesting games, Mew game and dice game. You can play both these games at your home with your family members, relatives or your friends. Try them. I am sure you will enjoy them. Thank you and take care.